You are looking for a way to make extra money? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I want to show you the best website to make money fast. Many people are trying to find ways to earn extra money or a side hustle these days. In fact, there are many things you can do to earn extra cash, like downloading apps on your smartphone, do micro-task, or completing offers. But do you know that you can also easily make money from your phone by taking online paid surveys? According to recent research, young adults use their phones approximately 5 to 6 hours per day, so why not use part of that time to make some extra money? Completing surveys to make some extra cash is one of the easiest ways to earn extra income. There are tons of websites and apps that can help you make money, but in this video, I want to share with you the top money-earning websites that you can use to make money fast. What's up guys, in today's video we are going to talk about one of highly rated and well-reviewed website on Trustpilot. Now if you are new to this channel, welcome. I'm all about teaching how to make money online for free and sharing money-making sites and apps. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's jump into our today's topic. This website is called Timebusks. Timebusks is a partner company of GrabPoints and works very similarly. I use it often because it's one of the best ways to earn free gift cards. Timebusks rewards you with points for doing simple tasks, such as taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, and much more. You have the option to redeem your accumulated points for gift cards, Google Play, Roblox, PlayStation Store, Visa prepaid cards, or cash via PayPal. I love the idea of getting paid via PayPal. It's so useful for anything you want. Its minimum payout is $5, which is easy to reach with all the options you have. You can also sign up here using the link in the description box below and receive a free 500 bonus points immediately after signing up. After clicking the link the description box below, it will direct you straight to this page. Timebusks earn cash by completing surveys, watching TV, doing offers. You can join for free by filling in your email address, password, confirm password, or you can use your existing Google account or Facebook account. How it works. Step 1. Brands want engagement. Step 2. They recruit members to complete the tasks and reward them in return. Step 3. You do online actions. After doing the online actions, you get paid through the payment method of your choice. You can also check out the Trustpilot testimonials before deciding to join this site. Don't forget to check out my previous videos for more ways to make money online. If you want to see more videos based on this content, make sure to smash the like button. Subscribe, hit the bell icon in order to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.